everybody, it's Ashlyn, and today I'll be joined by Marie. And today we'll be making a classic baking soda and vinegar volcano. Thank you, Maurice, for that. So the ingredients you'll need is a bottle, a pan if you like, warm water, dishwasher squirt detergent, vinegar, and baking soda, and a spoon. So, first what you want to do, we've already done in the video, you take your bottle or can and you fill it up most of the way with warm water. And then you'll put about 1 squirt of the dishwasher stuff in there. And then you'll put a couple spoonfuls of baking soda, Reese. One more. Okay, let's do 3. Right? So we're going to do 3 spoonfuls.
It's gonna blow!
You are going to add some vinegar.
This is when it's gonna blow. Oh, by the way, I'm your camerawoman, Alyssa. It's gonna
Just
blow.
1 spoonful of vinegar.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Now it's gonna blow. No, okay.
No.
No,
It's blowing up on the bottom. You guys probably can't see, but.
Just,
Okay. Don't waste it all.
it's okay. Just
Don't waste it all.
okay. Go. They're pouring. And it's gonna blow. Okay,
And you
wow.
can also add some food coloring if you'd like.
Okay, I'm gonna get a
To make
close up
it-
of this.
To make it more of an explosion, we didn't add any because we're at a loss of food coloring in our house. So it's kind of hard to see, but there is stuff dripping down the sides of this bottle.
We can't see it so well, but yeah, they can tell. They can. No,
No, not more. You're gonna waste all that vinegar.
Okay, so bye.
Well, that's what it looks like. It looks like there's a white cap on our bottle.
Bye.
So that's what it looks like at the very end.
I'm gonna pour this out. No, okay.
No, don't pour. The video's not done.
Oh, sorry.
So there's your vinegar and baking soda volcano. I
No.
hope you have fun making it.
Go watch